Most fabrication shops don't have a production problem. They have a visibility and efficiency problem. Jobs get lost. Welders are stalled, waiting on what's next. And you're walking the floor just to get answers. That doesn't scale. That's why we built Steelhead. Steelhead is the ERP built for you. Quoting, order entry, production tracking, purchasing, shipping, job costing, and invoicing, all in one place. From the moment a job comes in, every part has a path. Track it through every cut, bend, and weld, in real time. Operators see exactly what to do on the floor. You see the full picture without leaving your desk. Need to release a complex assembly to purchasing and the floor? Done. Cutting stock into smaller pieces with drop tracking? Built in. Managing sheet stock, tube, rod? Steelhead speaks your language. When a customer sends a pile of prints, AI BOM Import creates the assembly and all part numbers automatically. So you're ready to quote or start production in seconds. Your team knows what to do at every step. Work moves faster, and you stop losing jobs to miscommunication. Track labor with automated timers. Know which jobs make money and which don't. Quote with confidence because you know your costs. Less chaos, predictable margins, a shop built to scale. See what total visibility and efficiency can do for your shop. Visit gosteelhead.com. Get ahead with Steelhead, the ERP built to power margin and growth.